All right, so what I want to do in this video is I want to launch a instance template, or sorry, an instance group from an instance template, and we want to use a health check and see if we can get it to become unhealthy and it to spin a replacement machine. So we have two instance templates here, one with an E2 micro and an E2 standard 4. I'm going to just use the E2 micro, and we're going to go ahead and create a new instance group. So here, this will just be we'll just say like health check, so we know what we're doing with this one and we don't forget. And this is going to be stateless, which is fine. We will select the first template, not the very expensive one, but this one here. And I'm going to have this a single zone, which is totally fine here today. I will leave this alone. I really only want one instance ever at any given time. So this means the autoscaler cannot add or remove. That is totally what I want. So that is fine. We obviously don't need a signal because it's not going to matter in this case. But what I want is to do something with the VM instance lifecycle. So we do want it to repair, and we're going to set up a health check. So we'll create a health check, and this will be ensure HTTP 80 is okay. Okay, so here you can see we can change the protocol. We have TCP, but I'll switch to HTTP because that's really what we're doing here. And the scope doesn't matter where it's coming from, but you can set if you want to change the scope from another location, like, hey, does it work here? Does it work there? But anyway, it's going to be global. And I suppose, yeah, we're not doing any proxy, so we'll leave it alone. And it will literally just be this endpoint. So that's totally fine. Then down below, we have the health criteria, health check. So we have check intervals of 5 seconds, timeout with 5 seconds, healthy threshold 2. So this stuff can add up really quick. So you have to think like, okay, if the timeout is 5 seconds and the check interval is 5 seconds and there's a health threshold of whatever, then it's like 5-10 seconds. But it's actually pretty fast compared to other providers' defaults. So actually, I'm fine with that. And oh yeah, we can't do that. So we'll say ensure HTTP okay. 80. I'll just say HTTP because HTTP is port 80. So we'll go ahead and save that. Because the health check will replace unhealthy instances, you may want to increase the check interval to at least 10 seconds and the unhealthy threshold at least 3 times so your instances aren't replaced too often. I don't care, but that is an okay suggestion. But if we want something really fast, we can do that. This initial delay means after it's booted up, wait this amount of time because let's say the instance isn't ready, it has to install something like Apache, and that takes a certain amount of time. This is where you might want to increase it. Then here we have on failed health check. What do you want to do? The default action, which is up here, which should replace it. Or we could be explicit and just say repair the instance. I'm going to be explicit and say repair the instance. To use auto healing, configure firewall rules. This will allow the health check to connect to the VM instance in the group. Now we already have port 80 open, so this shouldn't be an issue because it's checking from the internet. It's going to ping it, right? Update during the VM instance repair. Keep the same instance configuration. Recreate the VM with the same instance template or update it. Apply the latest instance template. Generally, you'd want to do the latest instance template, but I didn't see earlier when we made our instance template, I didn't see us having the ability to make iterations, so maybe I missed it. Let's go back and take a look here. Because I went here, right? And I said, clicked into it. I said create similar, right? I didn't see a place to update latest. So unless I'm mistaken and I don't understand what I'm doing here, I'm going to go check the actions here. Yeah, I would assume that you'd have to choose another one. So maybe there is a way. Keep the instance configuration, apply the latest instance template. Okay, so just give me a second here. This is why I'm confused because instance templates are immutable. You cannot make new ones. So if I go here, yeah, I'm not sure what we're doing there, but we'll leave it the same here. To send traffic to instance group through a named port, you can do that. I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to leave that alone. And I'm going to go ahead and I think everything's ready. And I have one instance, so this should be fine. We'll go ahead and create it. Okay, and the question is, how are we going to observe the health checks? Now down below, we have a tab for health checks, right? And notice that it's not in use yet, so we're just waiting for that to show up here. So now it's showing that it's in use. Okay. But what I want to observe is the instance group when the health check is updated that the health check is taking effect. So here it's going from 0 to 1, and so we are just waiting for it to go 0 to 1. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, and when it is there, I'll just pause here. So I've refreshed, and now I have a 1. We'll go into here, and right away we have a status effect problem. So it's saying what? It's 0% healthy right now. The VM is being verified. So not necessarily that it's unhealthy, but it's still verifying the check. Okay. Now, while this is going, I'm going to go ahead here and just open this tab here. I just want to manually verify myself because it should be available, right? The this instance here, it should. Let's go back here. Sorry, I clicked into the instance group. I meant to go here and check the external IP address. And so we want to make sure that here we are getting. Oh, look at that. We can't see our website. Now that I think about it, when we created that instance template, did we put in the metadata for it? I think we did, right? Because otherwise, how? Oh, there it is. Okay, so now it just came up. I think we'll give it another refresh. It's interesting it's not showing the page we created, but at the very least, we're getting that page now, which is fine. And so now it's 100% healthy, okay? So that's good. It's 100% healthy. Let's go ahead and stop Apache. So I'm going to go ahead here, and I'm going to SSH in. I'm going to say authorize. We'll give that a moment as we are connecting. I'm going to go ahead here and stop Apache. So I think it's going to be like sudo system. I'm just guessing. Sudo system ctl Apache. Oh, what happened here? The min replica is equal to the max. This means the autoscaler cannot add or remove instances from the instance group. Make sure the setting is correct. Yeah, that's correct because we don't want we don't ever want it to be 0, so that should be fine. So we'll go ahead and here say sudo system Apache sudo system Apache stop. Sudo system L stop Apache 2, there we go. And then I'll just do a status on this. Again, I'm just guessing this. I've done this so many times. I just kind of guess. And another way we can test if it's down here. Oops. I can just do a curl to localhost 80 here. Okay, or we'll just say HTTP :0000. Right, and so I believe we should have checked if it was running first before we ran that command, but I believe now it should be become unhealthy. And it says instance by health is now unhealthy, right? Which is good, because that's what we were trying to do. So we'll give this a nice refresh here. And so now it's 0. So what I'm waiting for is I want to see if it's going to replace this instance. Okay, but we'll see what happens because now it's not running. So I'm just going to hang tight, okay? All right, so here you can definitely see now the instance is red and this is 0%. I'm going to give this a nice refresh here. And so what I'm hoping is that it's going to try to replace the instance. But I don't see it doing that. So I'm going to hang tight here and have some patience here. And I'll investigate this. I don't think that's the case because other providers, it doesn't matter if it's 1 because it still has to replace it somehow, but just a moment, okay? All right, so after refreshing and waiting more minutes, now we can see that we have that instance. So despite this message being here, again, this refers to scaling up or down for capacity based on that stuff. And, you know, the rule stands the same. Be patient and observe, and then once you get comfortable with that, then that's fine. But if you do end up having a larger workload, make sure that you test your workloads so that when you do have a problem, you have an idea what it's going to look like, because this stuff is very hard to get a feel for against new workloads. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this and the instance group, and so we have now successfully used a health check. Will it delete the health check? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead, and I don't think it costs anything to have these here because they'll just be out of use here in a moment. I don't think these cost anything, but if you don't like it, you can delete it, but you have to wait for the instance group to vanish, okay? Ciao, ciao.